So this patient is obsessed with his stools. He spends a lot of time looking in the toilet bowl after he has completed his stools. And even later, he spends time thinking about his stool and how it was abnormal. He even gave his stool to the doctor and it was found to be completely normal. But he's still having these thoughts which are bothering him. Alright? So this actually is a little vague, but here also they are trying to go towards obsessive compulsive disorder. If he's having compulsive thoughts about his stool, sorry, he's having obsessive thoughts about his stools, which is making him do compulsive actions like looking at his stool. And he agrees with the doctor that nothing is wrong, but he's still getting bothered. All right. So now they're asking him that if someone has obsessive compulsive disorder, then epidemiologically, genetically, which other disorder is he likely to have? And you all said obsessive compulsive personality disorder, which I get it, that they both sound similar. So you all thought that probably if somebody has OCD, he has a higher chance of having OCPD. But although these things sound similar, they're not the same. OCPD is basically somebody who's a perfection, who just likes having things a certain way. It's a personality disorder, like the schizoid guy who would love living by himself in a lighthouse. OCPD people are people who want everything in a very particular way. It could be people who want, don't even want their table to move 2 inches away, and that affects their life, but they don't care. They want it that way, all right? A very mellow example of that would be Monica from Friends. They're just perfectionists. They're not having these obsessive thoughts. They're not having any compulsions. They're just perfectionists. They just they're just irritating. All right, nothing. Okay, so it's not associated with that. Major depression, yes, all psychiatric comorbidities are somewhat related to each other, but that is not the correct answer because there is another more correct answer. Okay, what is paraphilia? Paraphilia is a sexual perversion. All right, any sexual perversion like exhibitionism, any fetishes, anything is called a paraphilia, away from normal. Because he's not getting sexually stimulated by looking at his phone. So he's not having a paraphilia. And coprophilia is a type of paraphilia, like what I said. People who get sexually stimulated by seeing their screen. Alright? So he does not have that either. So the correct answer is Tourette syndrome. It said that so Tourette syndrome, if you think about it, is like an OCD. You have this urge and then you can't help it. You have this in obsessive compulsive disorder, you have this intrusive thought and then you do a compulsive action. And Tourette syndrome also, you have like this urge, which can be kind of like an obsessive thought, and then the compulsive action that you do is like a tick. All right. So these two syndromes, obsessive compulsive disorder and Tourette syndrome, are very related to each other.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.